Love that song. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, 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 everybody. Facebook bounced off the 5-minute. Yeah, look at that. A little early, but it certainly did. Good morning, my Benzinga family. A few stocks we have on our radar this morning. Home Depot has earnings. Another reason why you do not run in and buy stuff pre-market. Yeah, just rip through the 200. Again, we'll have a little marker out of 317, down $4 from here. I like that. Yeah, 317 is all right, Sal, to take a peek. Home Depot is definitely on our radar. We got a little bid down in J-Nug if it gets a smack down, $6. Boop Boop Adoo has earnings. We're going to give this a few minutes to set up. Like to get involved in a trend trade early if it's going to show us that strength for the rest of the day. AMC blocked 17 million shares at 14.20. No wonder. Thank you, Ken. Yeah, Telephone cut their dividend. I mean, I'd rather be short than long. You know, sometimes it's good news. Who knows? It's not doing anything. Penn National, no volume yet. Uber, sell short. Tested the 200. Now, Uber could be a better buy, guys. Let that set up. Again, we don't do any trend trades in the first 10 minutes of the day. What else? Riot, we got to order out if Bitcoin gets to my level. Bitcoin, my level is around $36,000, guys, in Bitcoin. Not saying it's going there, but that's my level where I start springing into action. Tesla, we got a little bit at 558. Coin, we're going to watch early. Coin always does this giant smackdown in the morning, right? And then it spends the rest of the day crawling up at some point. So we got a marker down at 235 in Coin. Maybe we get a real quick far from moving average trade early. So Coin is definitely going to be the one we'll watch on the opening, see if it does anything. Wow, Home Depot. Holy mackerel. Are you kidding me? Is that real? I think it is. Wow. Didn't miss that 317 by much, huh? Well, I don't even know if I like it now. I got the 318. 312 would be a better spot, but let's wait and see if it opens, what it does when it opens. Thinkorswim for trading and interactive broker. Thinkorswim for charting and interactive brokers for my trading. That's what we're using. Yeah, is Coin going to do its thing early? All right, let's keep Coin on the radar. Maybe we get a quick far from moving average trade. 237.20 was the low it just made. We're looking 235 and lower. We start with 5-minute chart, Andrew, and then we'll expand if we need to go to a different chart to find support or resistance. Pivot point ghost pivots. I'm not sure. It depends on what platform you're using. It's a good question. Ramon. I don't know the answer offhand anyway. Sticks had a nice 2-day run. Could pull back. All right. Let's keep our eyes on it. They're off. Didn't it? Didn't it? Didn't it? Palantir, I like long term, guys. But long term. So I like it. You want to buy some, put it away. And forget about it. Home Depot, nothing. Yeah, trading view, the charts are a little different. We'll give Baidu a couple of minutes to set up. Walmart. I would have liked Walmart at 140, 175. All right, you want to give it a little crack? Early. That's good, Walmart, if we spike down to 140, 175. Keep your eyes on it. Home Depot. Home Depot will look for a far from moving average trade if we get down to that 317. So no real order yet. We'll try to trade his Coin. It would be a far from moving average trade if we get down there. But we're bouncing a little bit here. Home Depot's all over the place. Baidu, again, you know this one is wackadoodle. I'm waiting on Baidu. I like 191 if we go in that direction. Let's be patient this morning, guys. Be patient. I'm not seeing a heck of a whole lot off the opening. Yeah, SM, what the hell is that? Short at 2035. Keep your eyes on it for a trend trade if it pulls back now. Home Depot still coming. JNUG. Ooh, I like the 106 in JNUG if we spike down there. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. GameStop. Give me levels, guys. Give me levels in GameStop. I mean, I got 164. You see something you like better, closer, let me know. That works for me. If we go in that direction. Home Depot bounced. Tesla. Yes, 558 Tesla. I have it out there, a little marker. If we get the 558 in Tesla, I like it. Yep. It's a long ways away. Coin bounce. Cancel that. Cancel Riot. Cancel Baidu. Home Depot still hanging out. Tesla hanging out. GameStop, what do you got? 169 is the 30-minute. Ooh, I like that. Yeah. All right. I like GameStop 169, Lisa, if we go back down. It's good, but everything's kind of bouncing a little bit now, right? Little spiker up, little spiker down. Baidu's hanging in the middle of everything. Boeing, let's take a look. STX. Yeah, but look at the volume in that STX. I don't see it. I mean, it would have worked, but Boeing, 224.80 Boeing. We don't like that. Let's put it out. Boeing 224.80. If we get a smack it back. Like. Not a lot of volume in anything right now, guys and gals. So everyone just relax for a couple of minutes. Let everything set up. Do what it's got to do. Baidu's ripping back up. JNUG. Bounty bounce. Tesla. In the middle of everything. Coin. Coin rip. Wow, coin gave you a nice short, guys, at 242. This stock is whack. It is whack. 245 could be a short in coin. Kind of like that. Walmart bounced big. Home Depot bounced big. AMC is a piece of crap. Maybe 245 coin short if we rip up in that direction. Airbnb, the old favorite. Nah. Big spike down, big spike up, and nothing to do. No, do not put up UPST. You guys know I don't trade that thing. It's a kiss of death for me. Jesus Christmas. All right, you can try 121.80 short. In UPST. I'll do 25 shares. I hate this stock with a passion, but that would be extremely stretched out. 121.80. Tesla rip up. Yeah. Tesla rip up. Coin rip up. Tesla gave an early short, 572, just worked for $1. Right? Very choppy this morning, ladies and gentlemen. So we got to do what we got to do. CVS. All right, could be an early trend trade in CVS, right? 86 could be a little level in CVS. Yeah, 87.30 was a nice short. Jeez Louise. Baidu ripping is my guess. No, dipping. Woo. All right, we got 192.75 and 191 in Baidu. I like the 191, right? 191 is going to be a far from moving average trade in Baidu. 191.10. Baidu. 191.10 Baidu. We start. Don't panic out. That would be a far from moving average trade. If we get there. UPST, we just missed, guys. Got to 121.50, went straight down $2. Cancel. Cancel. Baidu's almost going to be far from moving average trade down there, guys, if we get there. So don't panic. Look at that UPST, guys. You got to be kidding me. Went down $3. All right, guys. I'm going to add a little Baidu at 190.10. Small. That's why we did it small. It's getting far from moving average. 190.10, we add a little Baidu. We missed JNUG by a little bit. Got to be kidding me. Put Baidu out to sell at 191.80 if we go in that direction. Out of Baidu for 80 cents. We just missed Baidu. Couldn't get the ad. All right. We'll take 80 cents. It's all right. Actually, I was a little late. Did anyone get 190 on the ad? That was beautiful. Right? I was a little slow, but that was spectacular. Getting the ad. Very nice. Cancel lower. All right, regroup. Regroup. Man, if you got the ad in Baidu, you just had a nice day. JNUG? Oh, my God. JNUG's a short at 113.60, guys. I know, I was still typing it too, but you got a quick dollar. Yeah, upstart the first time up. Second time up, usually not going to be as good. But it worked if you guys got it. No, it still didn't get there. It gave a dollar. Would have been a nice. You got 191 and you're still in Baidu. Nice, guys. Very nice. There we go. I said no stop when we did it, Nick. There's certain times I'm going to tell you that, right? I said don't panic out. We're going to add to it. Listen to me. Listen to what I say. Listen to what I say. All right. Have a 192.50 stop in Baidu now, guys. Some trades, Nick. Yeah, I said it loud and clear. Everybody else hear me in Baidu? I said we're going to buy a little more on the way down. Yes. JMA is bopping all over the place. Yeah, everybody should have got the Baidu. Oh, I still have one share of Baidu. Well, when I say don't panic out, that's what that means. It's no big deal, guys. You had a tiny little amount anyway. Don't sweat it. Happy Muhammad. Happy Muhammad. Yeah, I think Baidu's going to go lower now, guys. So 189.20. Same thing in Baidu. Put out a little order at 189.20 and don't put a stop out. We'll do the same thing if it gets down there very, very slowly, and we'll look for the far from moving average trade. 189.25. This is what Baidu does. And everybody who got sucked in and bought it up at 197.80. What's the first thing I said to everybody this morning? Do not run into Baidu. Right? AMC got it at 13.90. Ooh, off the pivot point. Nice job. Take profits. Nice job, Monica. Take profits, take profits, take profits. Beautiful. So Monica got our pivot point in AMC at 13.90 for a 60-cent trade. That's gorgeous. Facebook. Oh, we got 314.30. I like 313 better. What's the market doing, guys? Look at the market. All right. If the market's coming in, we like 313 in Facebook. That'll be down $2 and change. Let's put it out. I like that. If you get a bounce off the pivot point, okay. All right. But I like 313 better. And Upstart is just the most wackadoodle stock I've ever seen. Stay away. Stay away. Yeah, spiders are doing nothing. Spiders. AMC, you buy a couple of thousand shares. You only need one trade. All right? That's a beautiful thing. See how Facebook did not hold that pivot point? Boom, chaka-laka laka. Got you, refined warrior. Baidu. Baidu is a short now, guys. Wow, we didn't miss 189.20 by much, did we? Oh, my God. Right? 30 cents for $1. For $1.50. 25 cents we missed it by. Son of a beeswax. Well, we couldn't cheat by that much. So once something gets close and doesn't hit our levels, guys, we're going to cancel it. Revisit if it makes another move. Wow, Tesla, nice reversal. Coin, nice reversal. 245.30 coin. Good short if it gets, if it gets up there fast, I'd probably look short first. But could be setting up for a better buy. All right. BTX starting swing trade. Was that our level? Weekly is 17. Wow, it didn't miss by much. All right, I'm going to put out 17 in BTX. That's a weekly level. We're going to start swinging a little bit. When I say swing, we start very, very slow. We haven't touched this stock for $40 down. 17, we will start a little bit. We added 16 and 15. That's how we do our swing trades. Boeing could be setting up for a trend. Yeah. Yep. Yellen calls for a reform of corporate tax system. That's a nice story. That's a nice story. And one that I could care less about. I mean, coin spiked up, spiked down, sitting, not a trade. Home Depot leg up. It was due, right? Oh, wow. I think we got to short a little Home Depot up here, no? 324. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's 324 in Home Depot. Small. Oh, crap. I put a market order in. All right, no big deal. 324 on this pop-up Home Depot. All right, small. All right, we shorted a little Home Depot, 324. We're in small, so wow, all of a sudden this has like a 40-cent spread. Are you kidding me? All right. We'll give it to like 324.60. Start covering at 323.50. We go in that direction. Covered a little at 323.50. 323.10, we're out, guys. 323.10. 323.10. Take the money and run if we get there. That's all right. It's not really pouring in here. So it got one quick move down and then bounced. I'll give it a minute. That was a huge move up. Huge. And we're out. There we go, guys. 80 cents in Home Depot. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. BTX. That's a swinger. Facebook, still like 313. Do we like Facebook 313? We got to like it. Let's do it small, though, 312.90. All right, if you're trailing Home Depot, cover a little more for over $1. That's fine. See, a lot of people in the room, guys, they don't get out of the whole trade, and they trail a little bit, and now you just got almost $2 on it. Boom. So now get out of Home Depot. Look at that trade. Oh, my goodness. Just covering now. Oh, excellent job in the room, guys. Wow. Excellent job in the room. Yes, I do. Wow, wow, wow. A couple of people in the room got $2 on that trade, guys, in literally a minute. 1 minute in Home Depot. Ah, yeah. Baidu, 186.60 would have been fantastic. 186.70. We didn't get that. Baidu's a short, guys, if we get a rally up. Home Depot just went down $3, guys. Oh, my God. You got to be kidding me. Good. So what I teach everybody in the room is to trail a little bit. You know, cover half, 3/4, trail a little bit. Why did the stock just go down $3? Are you kidding me? That is wackadoodle. Insane. Do we buy it at 320? I mean, what the heck was that about? Holy crap. That's insane. I don't know. Let's let it set up. Maybe a double bottom. I think you get a good bounce off 320, though. J-Nug. Yes, I love J-Nug at 106.20. Let's have it out in case we're not paying attention. Anybody in Benzinga get that Home Depot short? That was a nice trade for everybody. A few people in my room are leaving. More than a few people. Thank you, Dave. I made my quota for the day. Wow. That's what we like to hear. I got you, Lisa. You never met anyone that says wackadoodle. Welcome to the green room. We have our own language over in the private trading room. All right, the question is, do we short Baidu now? Not yet. Let's wait till 192.50, which we will short Baidu. 192.50 is the trend. Actually, 193.50. Everybody relax. Travel stocks, Trip. They're kind of hanging in there. NKLA. Sal, you're scraping the bottom of the bowl with NKLA. This is a stock. If you like it, you buy it, you put it away. That's it. What are the spiders doing? Nothing. Tilray. There we go, Tilray, guys. Come on with our 16 calls, right? What did we buy them? 30 cents? We're up a whopping 10 cents, but we got all week for that. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. All right, what do we got? Lemonade. Let's take a look for everybody. No, don't touch Lemonade. No volume. Chopping up and down. IO. No, IO. That's a lottery ticket, IO, if you like it. Neo. I don't see anything here. Nothing to do. Deer. Again, same thing. Nothing to do. So when I put up a chart, and this is what we teach everybody, and of course we're going to talk about a little bit. I know in 5 seconds if it's good, something that I might want to get involved with or not. And if everything's just kind of sitting in the middle of everything, we move on. Try to find something better. Facebook. I don't know, guys. Facebook is taking its sweet you-know-what time getting here. I don't like it. Yeah, I'm not sure I like the market. Let's see what happens in the next little bit. GameStop. The 30-minute 65 worked. Let's look. 30-minute. No, I don't see it. I don't have a 30-minute 60. I mean, 165 is a spot, Nick. Right? Which would be really nice. Coin and spiders moving down. All right. Yeah, again, coin. I don't trust coin anywhere here. Only because it made that low at 237, right? Roku far from moving average. No, but it just hit our pivot point, guys. Ay, I mean, perfectly. Look at this. Brent, we had to get there a minute earlier. So everybody look, okay? Everybody see that this hit our pivot point at $321.05. That's a short. The stock went up $5 to hit it. It just went down $1.60. Yep. Beautiful. You got the Home Depot at 320? Yeah, I kind of like that. All right, good, guys. And you got $1 out of it real quick? Boom. Nice job, Colin. I said you probably get a bounce off the 320. That's exactly what happened. Good job. Ken, you got some? Wow, a bunch of people in the room got it. Very nice. 317 is the next spot in Home Depot. So just so everybody knows, there's a couple hundred people here with us on Benzinga. I have 111 people in my trading room. So we're kind of bopping back and forth here. It's all good. Airbnb. I don't even like the short in Airbnb. Let's wait. That stock gets going, it goes. And it's been a good morning again, guys. So let's just relax and look for really good setups. Peloton, like the short at 96.50. Yes, that's good if we get there. And a trend trade in Peloton if we pull back. Right? I like both. Kenny's out for the day. Nutmade, MGM, Tesla, Riot, Mara. See you all tomorrow. Wow. That's a beautiful thing. Yes, 250.50 we will short coin. Squeeze on JKS Solar. JKS Solar. Well, again, not something I would look to trade. JKS Thunder just doesn't have that big a range. It just bounced off the wow. It just bounced off our pivot point for $1 trade. So there's we trade 28.50. I would short JKS now if we get up to 30. 30.13. That's in a trend trade. 30.13. Riot. Bitcoin's rallying that much, guys? No, Bitcoin looks like crap. I think we got another 7,000 points down. Yeah, why is Riot up? What's going on in Riot, guys? Why would that be up and Bitcoin getting a smackdown? That's weird. 26.40, we short Riot. What's Mara doing? Yeah, but this doesn't follow coin. Maybe it does. Maybe it follows coin now and not Bitcoin. Who the hell knows? All right, whatever. I don't like it too. Short JKS? All right, I don't know if I'd be short right here. I would want it to get up to a trend line, but okay. Yeah, I guess we're following coin now. All right, makes sense. That's a good observation, actually. That's fine. I like it. All right, coin short, 250.50. Right? 250.50. Riot had earnings today, Dennis? Ah, okay. I thought it was yesterday. All right, look, guys and gals, then. We want to buy Riot and Mara on a pullback to trends. Okay? Yes. So 24.50 is a buy in Riot and 24.30, both. I like both of those. All right? So we got to try to get long that. Try to get long Riot. Try to get long Mara. Try to get long Roku. Yeah. SQ, I bet you, is ripping up too. All right. So anything coin related is going. Whatever that means. But it is. Baidu. 193 Baidu? Yes. Let's try a little Baidu short at 190. This is a wackadoodle stock. All right. Small 193 Baidu. Because this thing is whack. I mean, I could see it getting a 194. That's all that stuff. I'm going to go to 194 in Baidu. I like that better. Look, you can try Baidu at 193 small. I'm not saying not to. 194 all over it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I like it a little higher. Tesla target 4,680. Wow, good luck with that. Upstart, do not mention Upstart again. Unless it gets to 129, I like the short. 129 upstart is short. So a lot of stuff we're looking at now, guys and gals, even though the market's not doing anything, are setting up for uptrends, right? Especially the Bitcoin stuff. Yes, 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 yes. Do we have 200 likes yet, or do I have to leave, guys? Fisher? Yeah, kind of just hanging out here. NVAX pullback trend, yes. I like it. I like it, I like it, I like it. Peloton. Wow. Again, all these stocks that are doing this, we want to buy. I want to buy them. Don't run in and buy them up here, but I want to buy them if we can get a pullback to the trend. All these stocks that look strong, we want to buy. Just a matter of getting them to our levels. Oh, Tesla tweeted on. Okay, I got you. JMIA. JMIA. Whoa. Yeah, again, JMIA is a beautiful trend trade. Short at 29. I'd be aggressive short JMIA at 29. Tell you that right now. If that spikes up another $1.20, I'll do 500 shares for a quick 30, 40, 50 cents. GM, nothing. Mara. Yeah, 2404 could have been a short there, Monica. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Short a little Baidu to start. Okay. Didn't quite get to 193, but all right. Good. Add at 194 and Baidu small if you're going to do it. Peloton hit the pivot. Wish I could short. I don't know. I think it's going higher. I don't think you missed anything. Roku. Whoa, Roku. All right. Well, here's what we're doing in Roku, right? Let's put a little short out at 330. Let's this thing could get wackadoodle, but certainly like 330. That's a far from moving average trade. For those of you who don't know what a far from moving average trade is, it's when a stock gets really stretched out, 80 RSI, $5 above the moving average. So you can watch this. If it throws in a little red bar, it's probably a good short on the 1 minute. It's getting stretched. Out half Baidu. Baidu. All right. I still like the 194 in Baidu. Let's leave that. Cancel JNUG. That ain't happening. Cancel BTX. That ain't happening right now. I am at 193.50 Baidu. Okay. And I'm at 194. All good. Roku, just give the far from moving. There it is. Right around 326.40. But not getting much of a pullback. Well, let's stay where we are at 330. Gotta like starting that there. Labu, let's look. Wow. Yeah, 65.20 Labu short. And 62.80 is the trend, yes. In Labu. I like both sides of Labu, short and long. Roku, Walmart. Yeah, Roku again. I'm looking to short. If we get up to the 330 level, we'll start a little short. And we want to buy any pullback. You know, do I think this is going higher? Probably, but it's going to have a $2 pullback at some point. JNUG getting a smack-a-dack. Let's do it. 106.20 JNUG. I like it. I like it. 106. We'll go 106.30 in JNUG. 8 cents above. Baidu. Nice short. Nice short, guys. Good job. Good job in Baidu. Take the money and run. Solo and Neo. Solo used to be a hot one, right? Solo's a lottery ticket. If you like Solo, you buy it, you put it away, and it's not a trade. Remember, we concentrate on day trading in here. But that's a stock. If you like it, you have it, you put it away. Neo is not a trade. It's nothing. It's dead. It's not doing anything. Kern. Yeah, 250 is a short. We can look to buy coin now on a pullback, right? Definitely establish its uptrend for the day. So we can look to buy this on a pullback now. 243. I like coin. Let's put it out. I'll look at Walmart in a minute. Coin trend trade 243. Good. Walmart. Give me levels in Walmart. Ooh, you got 142.10 and 141.30 in Walmart. Huh. All right, let's look at Walmart. Let's do Walmart small at 142.10. I really like 141.30, but let's see. $42.10 Walmart. BTX is $1 off our swing. Oh, you mean it was $1 off our swing? Jesus, Christmas. Wow. Nice bounce. Riot pulling back. All right. 24.30 Riot trend trade. 24.30. That would be down $1. We do it. Where'd you buy the BTX, then? That's just you. All right, market's coming in, so let's see what happens here. Again, I like the coin. We got 243 and 242.50. Well, let's do it small. 242.50. All right, let's wait in coin until 242.50. I like that. It's good. GameStop. GameStop 164. Be all over that. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. You stink, Riot. Walmart. All right, this popped down Walmart, guys. This popped down. J-Nug. We're canceling J-Nug. I wanted it right then, Jane. Oh, come on. What did I do? There we go. I wanted J-Nug right there. That we would have got a quick $1 out of that. You know? That would have been perfect. Musk bought Bitcoin. I thought he was contemplating selling Bitcoin. Baidu? No. Don't touch Baidu again for a little bit. It's dead. Maybe a double bottom in Baidu. Now, we just missed a J-Nug. J-Nug would have been perfect. Nice job in the BTX swing, right? We couldn't get to $17. We missed it by 38 cents. It's up $2. Oh, my God. Gosh darn it. Let me show you guys where we got that from. The weekly level was 17.11. That's when you do a swing trade. 17.11 was the weekly level, and it got to 17.38. Oh, my goodness. Walmart. All right. Do it. Don't forever hold your peace. Relax. Don't do it when you get it. You stink, Walmart. You stink. Other one we just missed. All right, canning it. 141.30 Walmart we're going to. 141.30. I'll do a full order down there. Really like that. Market's coming in a little bit, right? All right, if you got the Walmart at 142.10, that's fine. Just keep a tight stop. It's okay. You know, if you gets in the 30s, have a break even stop. Cancel Roku, cancel Baidu, cancel Riot. Trailing CCIV, long CCIV. All right, good. Very nice. I like it. Riot short. Nope. Why would you want to short Riot, BB? Sitting there doing nothing. No, I would not short Riot. Sell some Walmart, guys, in the 40 and above. Sell some Walmart 40 and above. There you go. Boom. Boom, Walmart. Nice. Labu is a buy. Oh, Walmart. Nice job, guys. Take 50 cents, get out at 60, and say thank you very much. Or trail a little bit, but I definitely sell more at 60. Look how gorgeous that was, guys, on our 65 EMA. Right? Isn't that gorgeous? I don't think we're going to get to 142.40, but you can trail a little bit here. I bring my stop up to 142.30 now, so I cannot lose money. Wow, what a great morning this ended up being. Again, guys, I don't get all these trades because I'm busy doing a bunch of other stuff, but what a morning. Beautiful. I think we're like 4 for 4 or 5 for 5 this morning. Yeah, I wish you would have at that $17, $18 level, Melissa. Just hang out for now. Labu's a buy, guys. We got to buy. Buy on a pullback. Walmart, raise your stop up to 50 now. Everybody, raise your stop up to 50. All right. Raise that stop up to 50 cents. Home Depot. Home Depot came close to that freaking 316.60 and went up $2. Jeez Louise. Again, guys, I'm not looking to make $1 or $1.50, on Walmart. You trail a little bit, bring your stop up to 60 cents now. Boom chakalaka. That would have been spectacular in Home Depot, right? Gosh darn it. All right, it didn't get there, so what are you going to do? I just lost another 18 people in the room. Gone. Thanks, Dave. Had a good day. I love it. I don't think Labu's is short now. It's taking too long to get up there. Home Depot got close. That was beautiful. I mean, Walmart is classic regular moving average trade. Just classic. Boom. Classic. And again, I would have taken my money. How long did that take? 3 people in a room bought 2,000 shares and made 50 cents on it. In how long? Right? How long? That's $1,000 in a minute. I would leave, but I'm not giving up the learning opportunity. Made 4 positive trades. Good, Ken. Then just don't trade anymore. Or cut your size significantly. Right? I'm telling everybody what I tell everybody all day. 90% of the time, it is not going to get any better than this. Right? Don't I say that every morning? 90% of the time, it's not going to get better than the first hour in the morning. And there's a lot of people out there who teach people about trading and stuff and say, don't trade the first half hour, 45 minutes in the morning. Bullshit. That's when we get our most opportunities. Period. You just got to do the right thing. No cheat, Eric. It got exactly there. Mr. Walmart. It got a couple cents below it. 142.05. Yes, everybody in the room filled. And look, if you don't sell it, look what happens, guys, right? Look at this. So what did I just tell everybody in both rooms? No, I didn't get it, Eric. This is a trade. We're day traders. If you didn't take your 50-cent profit, you're losing money now, right? That's what we do. We trade. We trade. I don't know, Eric. I got 120 people in here, 500 people over there. Walmart, we buy 141.30 now. Yes. 141.30. I will buy 200 shares there. Be a little aggressive. Oh, I already got it out. Okay, good. Cancel coin. I'm in on Labu at 64.15. Labu. I don't know why. You're in at 64.14. All right. I'd have a break-even stop. Yeah, I was just going to say, should Amazon merge with Walmart? I have no effing clue. Nice reversal in Tesla today. Don't short Tesla, though, Tim. That's a recipe for disaster. Why bother? Yeah, I mean, the bloom is off the rose in AMC, right? I get the $15 this morning. Wackadoodle. Riot. Again, you know, Riot would have been a nice trend trade if we could have got the pullback. So nothing to do right now. Baidu trend trade 193. Let's look. Yeah, we like Baidu 193 and 193.75. Yes, small. Yes. 193 Baidu short. And everything we do, guys and gals, is just based on technical analysis. It takes a while to learn, but it's all about putting the odds in our favor every time we make a trade. That's what it's about, period. And if you're not doing that, you're throwing darts on the board. That's it. Nice job in Boeing. Beautiful. 231.50 could be a short in Boeing. So you guys can see, right? On every chart I put up, it's telling me where my opportunity is. Now, the only thing we got to figure out is, does that fit our trading criteria? Is it a regular moving average trade? Is it a far from moving average trade? Is it a base? Is it a double top? Is it a double bottom? That's what we got to figure out. So the course that we have curated for you guys, especially for Benzinga, that we're giving you guys a really great price on, teaches you all these things and comes with me every Thursday night forever with continued mentorship if you buy our course, which we'll talk about later. Every Thursday night we get together for anyone who bought the course, and we hang out and we go over everything. $2.30 out of Boeing. Very nice. CVS. Again, it's just a nice trend trade, Ken. Beautiful trend trade. What changed the way you trade? Born to be Free, the course. I mean, Sticks was due for a pullback, right? Yeah, I mean, after it got, you know, it's been up a bunch of days in a row, right? Look at that. You know, today would have been the day to short Sticks. That would have been day 3 on the upside, right? Born Free, I'm glad you're enjoying it. Good. I'm also going to invite everybody here to come into my room for the rest of the week and hang out and watch us trade live. Next week is my boot camp. We have no visitors. But before we leave, remind me, and everybody who is here in Benzinga can come and hang out with me for the next 4 days, whether you buy the course or not. Next week is my boot camp where I do my entire course live, and we don't have any visitors. JKS, it would have been a nice short if it got there fast. Plug. So all the bad stocks that have been really bad recently are getting nice pop-ups today, right? Plug. Palantir. All right, they're all getting a nice little bop. Walmart. Yeah, I mean, again, Walmart was a good trade in and out. Now it's kind of just sitting doing nothing. Cancel that. Let me look at Baidu. Ah, there you go. So Happy just posted the link to the room, guys. David is an OG, best in the game. What's OG? No, I don't want to short Labu. Taking too long to get out here, to get up here. And I think it's going higher. I don't want to short Labu. Original gangsta. Got it. Lulu Sunshine, come into the room, hang out for the next 4 days, and we can talk about it. Don't worry about it right now. Yeah, I don't even like Baidu either now, guys and gals. Let's wait. I like Baidu at 193.70 now, right? That's better. You can tell everybody it's 10:20, okay? And I can bet you already that the volume is going down in most stocks that we're looking at. Myrna. Yes, buy Myrna. I mean, there's nothing we're not looking at that isn't a trend trade, basically, guys and girls. Everything looks good. Certainly a lot of better. No, it's not that I hated NVIDIA. I didn't say I hate the stock. I will not trade NVIDIA, OP. Every time I tried to trade that stock, I lose money. So it wasn't that I hated where the price or anything like that. I just hate NVIDIA. I didn't mean as a company. So that was a misunderstanding. Every time I trade NVIDIA, I lose money. So when anyone brings it up in my room, you might have brought it up here yesterday, and I said, I hate NVIDIA. I didn't mean the price of the stock. I just can't trade it. Every time I do it, I lose money. Yeah, I mean, BTX, we saw the bottom, guys. That was it. Look, I'd be selling some BTX on the way up, right? If you got long at 1740 or whatever. But again, that was a swing trade, spectacular. It just didn't get, well, I want to show you guys where this BTX came down from, right? So look at this BTX, guys. This is insane. It came down from $80. I did not want to buy this stock once, the whole way down until 17 bucks. And we missed that by 38 cents. But all the people who got involved in this thing and got wiped out, including a lot of people who came into my room and they're stuck in BTX and they're stuck in Riot and they're stuck in Mara and they're stuck in Plug and they're stuck in all these stocks because they were in all this hype. Literally, for the last few days, I've been saying we're going to go long at 17 bucks. And that's the first time I've looked at it ever on the buy side. And it didn't quite get there. WDC. Give me levels in WDC. We're only down $1. It's weird. We're having a real, what's the word I'm looking for? Rotation, right? Some stocks are really good. Some stocks are really bad. Are all the chip stocks bad? No. IPOE up big. Oh, yeah, baby. Go, my IPOE. Wow, that got down to 14 bucks. Big level here, Solly, at 17. That's what we need to get above, right? Frog. The hell is a frog? Yeah, I don't like Froggy. You feeling Froggy? Leap on over. Peloton is a buy. Get a pullback, please. Wow. Oh, that's when we're going public? Mohammed? Sally, looks like Mohammed's telling us that IPOA is changing to SoFi on June 1st. We're in the pre-IPO, Mohammed. We got SoFi at $13. And we have 1.77 shares of IPOE for every SoFi share. That's probably why it's ripping up. So we paid 13 bucks. Right now it's worth $28. We got it on the pre-IPO. Boom, chaka-laka laka. Yes. That's a nice one, Solly. It's going to be a double. Well, let's not count our chickens yet, but it's looking good. Can you sell now? Probably if someone wants to buy it at 20, which I'm sure they would, right? Right now it's like $28. Someone would pay 20 for it. 25, who knows? I don't know. It's a different lockup period too because they're going through a SPAC. So yeah, I like SoFi, so I'm not going to be in a hurry to sell it, Joe. I happen to really like SoFi, so I think they're 1,000 times better than Robinhood. They have a bunch of other things that they do, and they're legit. So I'm not going to be in a hurry. Yeah, we did a little pre-IPO thing for you guys with Iron Edge VC. I'd like to set that up again with Aaron if there's a lot of people in Benzinga that are interested in that. Getting in on pre-IPOs. We did Airbnb, we did DoorDash. I am in a bunch of other ones right now. I have some SpaceX, Orbital. I got a bunch of other ones, pre-IPOs. There you go. Spider's getting a little rally here. I hear you, Julian. Solly a guy in my room just told me that. They're just making the coins available. How do I have SpaceX pre-IPO? Because it's been raising money for the last 5 years, Solar. And I have a firm that gets pre-IPOs. You got to be qualified. So what is qualified for a pre-IPO? Average salary of $250,000 a year for 2 years, or $1 million in net assets, or you can do it out of your IRA. That's what you have to have June 1st, Solly, to be qualified to get in on pre-IPOs. I can get you the contact information, Solar, if anyone's interested in that. Levels to short Riot. Why are you in such a hurry to short Riot? I think it's a better buy. Better buy. Anyone who's interested in the pre-IPO stuff and qualifies, listen to me for a second, okay? Maybe you guys can post this for me. Happy. It's Matt at ironedgevc.com. Matt at ironedgevc.com. If Muhammad could pop that up there. Matt at ironedgevc.com. Or write it down. Yeah, I mean, if you have the means to do this, it's a great way to put some money away. We had Airbnb. I doubled my money on it. We had DoorDash. We doubled our money. MATT at ironedgevc.com. There you go. Thank you, Happy. Happy, how we doing on likes this morning? Do I have to leave soon? What's going on with everybody? We are definitely slowing down and losing volume. But look how everything's kind of flattening out, everybody, now, right? At 10:30, right? Volume's gone. Well, Tesla, I think, may have bottomed temporarily. 590 could be a nice short in Tesla. 590. It's bad. I got to make a threat. All right. 134. That's it. All right. You guys have, it's 10:28. I actually have to use the boys' room for 2 minutes. By 10:33, if there aren't 200 likes in here, I have to leave. And I can't tell you about my room. And then I can't tell you about our Facebook. So I'm going to the boys' room. If there aren't 200 likes by the time I get back, Muhammad, I got to leave. That's it. And I won't be back. No, do not short plug. So generally speaking, Joey, anytime you're looking at a chart like this, plug, Riot, Mara, I want to be long. unless we get to an 80 RSI and it's like $2 above the moving average, right? Okay. But otherwise, it's a long. Just wait for it to pull back and get in. Almost every stock we're looking at now, guys and girls, looks like a buy. But we need a pullback. VET, Palantir, beautiful. Yeah, we got a ton of people in this Palantir at $16.50, right? So it's making recent highs now. There we go. So we got room to 23 now in Palantir. Boom, chaka-laka laka. Yeah, we're getting above the daily now, which is right around 21 bucks. I think we see 23. So anyone who's still in the Palantir swing, 23 can be your target. You know, our average long was 17 and change. So 23 looks good. We'll take that. Yes, NEO completely reversed. With all the other EV stocks, it looks like. Wow. Wow. Tough to call NEO, though. It never really set up for anything technically, so tough to call. JP Morgan's a better buy. Yeah, I just saw that in Ride. Someone in the room mentioned Ride, up 16%. With all these things, guys, right? Didn't we look at this yesterday and we said maybe grab some options? All these things that we talked about, I think, yesterday or the day before, you grab options in these things. Options. You take a shot, and if they work, you make a bunch of money. Ah, there's an EV event today. Okay. 23 is your entry in Palantir. Well, Terry, if you're lucky enough for it to get back there, you sell half of your stock. That's all. And if you're in at 23, you had to be adding at 16.50 with us, right? Then your average would be about freaking $19. You'd be well in the money already. Uber. Where are we with the likes, guys? I might not come back from the boys' room if we don't hit my number. Uber's a better buy also if it pulls back. Palantir, you shouldn't have fear of missing out. I mean, you know, the people who are in trouble in Palantir are the ones who bought it at $45. That was fear of missing out. But again, you know, look where our spot was in Palantir. A week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago, whatever this was, 2 weeks ago, I did not look to buy Palantir anywhere until it hit $18.30. That was a weekly level. And then we added at $16.50. Boom. That's it. That's where we got in. So all these stocks, there is a time and a place without getting caught in all this nonsense to make a shitload of money. And that's what we did. BTX might come down. I hope it does. I hope it gives us another shot at 17 bucks. But again, if you bought this morning, right? Look, it couldn't get above 1985. That's a $2 profit from 1730 to 1985. 200 likes. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. Now I can use the boys' room. You said it last week about PLTR also. Yes, I did. In FSR. All right, FSR is something that I would not sell. Just hang out. This thing just broke above a daily also. Dana. So you can trail a little stop, you know, maybe 1150, but I think that's got room to 14. All right. So hang out in that one. I like it. I like it. Yes, last week we talked about Palantir. Yes. What's Tilray doing? Come on, Tilray. Bust through 16. So we bought these 16 calls yesterday in Tilray for 30 cents. They're 48 cents now, but we got the rest of the week. Anyone else get those calls in Tilray from yesterday? We're at a big level. I'll tell you that right now, right? I mean, 1570 and then 1650 is even bigger. maybe this thing can finally start turning around. Let's look at the weekly. Yeah, I mean, weekly, the first resistance is 17. So maybe we get there. We'll see. We forget about those and just move on. You know, whenever you do an option, if you have a double, you start selling some. Pete just sold half his Tilray calls for a 50% profit. Yeah, that's good. That's what you did. This way it pays for the trade, right? You can't lose money, and it's a free ride. So that's what you do. Anytime you're in an option trade, guys, and you make 50%, that means you've paid for the trade, right? Why not do it? Peloton's not a short. Why would you say Peloton's a short? Again, nothing's a short until it hits one of our moving averages or gets stretched out, right? What do I need to be able to trade every day with you and get in the room? Oh, Tom. Yeah, that's a story for another day. First of all, I only have room for 16 more people in my room, and then my room is shut. That's it. I'm going to start a waiting list. Start by coming into the room and hanging out for the next 4 days, Tom. That's greenroom-live.com. Start with that, and we'll take it from there. The RSI is over 80, correct, in Peloton. But we're not even $1 away from the closest moving average, Matt. So it's not stretched. Okay? Guys, everyone who's in Benzinga now, this is probably going to be the last week I have visitors in the room. I told myself when we hit a certain number, the room's going to be closed. I don't want it to be a room where we have 800 people in there or 200 people or 150 people, because then we can't trade together. And the trades we do don't work. So I think I have room for like 15 or 16 more people, which will probably be done by the end of this week. That being said, you can still buy the course, and you'll be with me every Thursday night. Okay? But before we leave, we'll talk a little bit more about that stuff. Home Depot, great earnings and a piece of crap. Yeah, that's why you don't run into these things early in the morning, right? People read the Home Depot earnings report. This thing traded at $326 this morning, down $9. I mean, come on. One of the first things I tell everybody in the morning when we have our morning meeting every day at 8:30 is you don't run into any of these things pre-market. Baidu was the same thing. $197 Baidu, anyone who ran in. They lost 12 points on it in 5 minutes. These are all the things you have to learn if you want to be a day trader. That's it. All covered in the course. I like 600 calls in the video, but it's probably, a little late now. Again, the video coming to a giant level. 576.50. Where are we? See how it had a little trouble there, guys? Isn't this crazy? This is crazy, right? 576.50 was, look at this. It's amazing, the freaking technical analysis. That's exactly our 15 EMA on a daily chart. 576.50. Look what it did. It missed it by 13 cents and gave you a $1.50 trade. Now, I'm not saying it would probably go back and go above that now. Yeah, right. Exactly. That's why never trade off anything that you hear outside of anything. You can afford to be in that. Neo short 34.50. No. 34.90 Neo short, right? Not 34.50. 34.50 is only 50 cents above the moving average. Maybe 34.90. But again, these things are strong. Why do we want to be short? I want to be long, not short. Myrna Burner, Bo Burner. Again, Myrna's a better buy. And 166.50 could be the short in Myrna, right? Boeing, Ripsky, Dipsky. Yep. Yeah, again, I'm not in a hurry to short anything, everybody. All right, we're ripping through pivot points. We're ripping through everything. These stocks are better buys. Be patient, wait for pullbacks, or do not get involved. That's it. No, it's not. It is not in the stocks we're looking at anyway, right? All right, look at Riot, guys. Now, We talked about Riot shorting at 26.50, right? That's the pivot point. It hit 26.50 and just gave a 50-cent trade. Boom. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Pivot point. And now we look to buy it if we can get a pullback to 25.40. So let's put that out. I like that in Riot. That'll be down $1 and hit our trend line. 25.40 Riot. Meanwhile, I've had to go to the bathroom for the last, 20 minutes? This always happens to me.
I got you, David.
No, there's a couple of things going on. Let me just check. Then I'm going to go in 2 seconds. BTX, again, $17. Let's leave that out there in case we don't miss it if it goes down there this time. Now, very important how you guys do swing trades, which we also cover in the course. But when you're going to do a swing trade in any stock that you do, and a lot of people who have come into my room and some other people I've talked to from Benzinga have got into swing trades in some of these things, but when they first got in it, they used the full amount of shares that they could. And then they couldn't buy any more when it kept going down, right? So any swing trade that you get in, you always start with your smallest amount so that if it does go against you, you can dollar cost average. And that's the way that you do swing trades. You don't shoot all your bullets in one pop, right? All right, Roku. Hold on, guys. BTX, Neo, TTD, Roku deserves a look. Vuzu coming down. Coin green from red. Yes. All right. Roku. Again, I don't want to be short, right? Anyone, if we were even thinking about shorting Roku on a pivot point, we just would have got the smack-a-dacka. I know it's an 88 RSI. It's $5 above the moving average. All right. I mean, you could go to the 1 minute when this happens. You got a little red bar. You would have got it. 322, 322.20, and you would have just got $1 out of the trade. Wow. Who mentioned that? Ken? Very nice. Did you get a little short, Ken? So this is what we call a far from moving average trade. One of our techniques. Okay. Gets really stretched out. It's got a 90 RSI. It is $5 above the moving average. We go to a 1 minute chart. Second we see that red bar is where we short. So it would have been about 322, 332, and it just gave you $1 trade. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. That's a far from moving average trade. Again, one of the techniques we teach you in the course. Coin. Wow. All right. I mean, coin just hit the short at 250.50. Let's see if that works. Just spiked up $5. Yep. A couple of people got it. All right. All right. Look, get orders out to cover this back. 250, 249.50, 249. Take 50 cents, $1, $1.50. Should get a little bit more of a pullback here. Now, the good thing about coin is, you can basically just have a break-even stop now if it goes back up. Yeah, you just got 50 cents. Good. This bar will tell. If it gets back up above 250, it's not great. If it breaks 249.50 on the way down, you'll be okay. So let's see what the next move is. Everything is so strong. It's hard to be short anything right now. It just is, right? Shorted Baidu at 192.50. 193.50 was the spot, right? That's what we talk about, Steve. We said 193.50. Be patient. It hit 193.50 and gave you $1. That was the spot, right? Patient, patient, patient. That was the freaking 65 EMA. Gave you $1. Oh, you gewelt. All right. No, it's not the pivot point. It's the regular moving average trade, 65, Steve. Right in front of you. 193.50. And I even said that earlier. Don't run in and short it. I think we can cancel Riot. That ain't coming down for the moment. Let's Good. Cat down and the rest is green. Cat down. It's a rotation. That's what's going on now. Right? We're going back into some of these beaten up stocks. And some of the infrastructure stocks are going down a little. Triple M is probably down. Yeah, same chart. So they're getting out of manufacturing and back into growth. That's what's happening right now. Not even tech. I mean, tech, they're not even in it, you know? Once you complete the course. Yeah, but we're there with you every Thursday night to help you, right? Look at what Baidu did in 1 second. Yeah, again, that 193.50 was the spot. If you're still in it, take your profits now. You made $220. Good. Good. Excellent. But again, be a little more patient. All right? Especially this morning. Crazy. What is the pivot point that sends you to the bathroom? I don't have one, obviously. Baidu, 189.20 is good, Lisa. Yes. We can try buying a little Baidu at 189.20. 189.20. Good. I'm shorting a $500 million Tesla now. Yeah, you keep averaging in, right? Keep averaging into your short. You'll be fine when it goes back to 800. You know, it gave a little short off the pivot point, Tesla. Well, now it's working for a couple of bucks. ICP. I don't have an ICP. Give me something else. I need to pay. Coin, I wouldn't short now till 260. It probably gets there. This market's whack. All right, that's it. Here's what I want to say before I go to the bathroom. We're not done yet. Aaron, we still got a few minutes. We okay? Another 15, 20 minutes?
Yes, sir.
All right, excellent. Okay. Here's what I want everybody to do, and it doesn't cost a nickel. All right? We just launched our Wall Street Global Trading Academy Facebook page. We are having the official launch on Monday at 6 p.m., and tomorrow we're having a little meet and greet. It costs nothing to join our Facebook page. We're going to have a shitload of good content on there. I'm going to be doing quotes every day and some videos and stuff. It does not cost a dime. Not a dime.
And I just threw that link in the chat.
Beautiful. I want everybody who's here to come join our Facebook group. It doesn't cost any money. Last thing before I go to the bathroom. Every single person in this room should be subscribed to Benzinga. Okay? I telling you guys right now, I cannot trade without it. These guys are by far the best news service and education place that exists, period. I have never done a collaboration with anyone in my life until I hooked up with Aaron and Spencer. So everybody in here, you got to sign up for the Benzinga service also. All right? Now I'm going to the bathroom, and I'll be back in 3 minutes. No orders, guys, except the swing trade and BTX. Get in that Facebook now.
want to maximize your performance in the market, you need access to the highest quality tools and news available. Benzinga Pro stands out from all of the options you'll be presented with, and their instant access to market-moving news positions you to be prepared to take on the market in the best ways possible. Here's how it works. Benzinga Pro's news desk creates original news content that's available on your main news feed and gives you actionable information about companies you may want to invest in. This news desk information gives you the chance to beat the market, receive impactful news as it breaks, and jump on trending stocks before and as they rise. And beyond that, Benzinga Pro is packed with helpful features and unique insights that give you the best information possible. There's tools like the Live Audio Squawk, which streams every day with important news and timely updates, and the real-time news alerts that allow you to stay on top of every developing story you're keeping tabs on. Alerts and news will be sent straight to your inbox or delivered as live sound alerts. For those investors that want real-time, actionable, and breaking news about companies they may be looking to invest in, Benzinga Pro is the tool to use.
All right. You're in what? What are you in? Oh, you're in the Facebook group. Okay, good. All right. A couple things before we get out of here, guys. Number one, did anybody in Benzinga make a couple of bucks on our calls today? Put in a number one if you made a couple of shenanigans on any of the trades that we did today. Anybody. I know you guys in my room killed it. I'm just asking if anyone in Benzinga got a couple of bananas out of our calls today. I can become a Benzinga Pro before getting my new Tesla order. Stephen W., hell yeah. One from yesterday. All right, good. So a bunch of people made a couple of shenanigans. That's good. That's all we can ask for, right? All right, last thing I want to talk about, guys, and this is spectacular. So the new course that we have curated, Wall Street Global Trading Academy. Okay, this is the course that we've curated. It is 6 hours long. It encompasses everything that you need to know about day trading, swing trading, and options trading. And a couple of things that we've done, right? I'll show you when we get inside. First thing that we've done for only Benzinga, okay, is we've reduced the cost by $100. $500 for everybody else. It's $400 for Benzinga, for anyone from Benzinga, okay? So we've knocked it down by 25%. I want to show you a little bit about the course, guys. I am more proud about this than anything else I've ever done in trading. We really knocked it out of the park with this. So let me show you a little bit about the course. So once you buy the course, you're going to go into the members area and you're going to log in. Now here's the actual course. Best thing about this course, guys, every Thursday night we get together forever, and you get continued mentorship. So that means you get me every Thursday night for an hour, hour and a half. We go over the whole course. We talk to you guys about any problems that you're having. And we're with you for as long as you want to be with us, right? We start at the very beginning, language of the stock market, different trading accounts, market terms, long and short. You don't have to be intimidated if you've never traded before, okay? You don't. Money management, which by far is the most important thing we will ever talk about. I can fill this room with 1,000 people, pick the exact spot to buy and sell stocks, and 999 of them go broke. Money management is the most important thing we'll ever talk about. We'll help you set up your charts, talk about the moving averages, our 5 trading techniques, swing trading, options trading, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, everything you need. I got to tell you guys, anyone who's been with me, when we do swing trades and options trades, we're over 90% for the last 2 years. They don't set up very often, but we're pretty damn good at them when they do set up. And then here's your link every Thursday night. Seriously, guys, for $400, this will teach you how to day trade. I mean, it will. And you'll get me every Thursday night. So that's Wall Street Global Trading Academy. That's where you go to buy the course. We will be back tomorrow morning if Aaron will have me. Totally up to him.
Of course, David.
All right, cool beans. And again, guys, anybody who's not signing up with Benzinga, you got to screw loose. I have had some news things pop up from Benzinga where I have paid for the service 3 times over in one trade. That's the God's honest truth. And a lot of people in my room have it also. So snow needs a red bar. All right. Yes, it does. It needs a big red bar. All right, ladies and gents, unless anyone else has any questions that they want to ask about something for a couple of minutes, this is what happens every single day, right? Every single day by 10:45, 11 o'clock, that's it. The market's done. Then you got to, no, you're not going to get annoyed, Hemp. I didn't see what you said. Ask me the question again. I won't ignore you. It never gets better than the first hour, hour and a half of the day. That's why I lose half the people in my room by 10:30, 11 o'clock when we're doing well. And listen, we have losing trades, okay? We have losing days. Everybody does. No, you want the Benzinga Pro, guys. Do not get the basic. Go for the Pro. It is so much worth the money. It's not a big difference, and it's the best. That's all I can say. It is the best by far. I said short Tesla at 590. Who said short Tesla at 590? Yeah, we did say short Tesla at 590. How'd that work out for everybody? Look at Tesla, guys. We said 590. It got to 590.35 and went down. How much? Only $4 for a little trade. Very nice. Yes, go for the Benzinga Pro. That is the best. I said to short what at 34.90? What was that one? Neo? Let me look. It didn't quite get to 34.90. Yeah. Look, this was happened to be, guys and gals, I'm up 40% since I got Benzinga Pro. There you go. I mean, that's insane, right? That is insane. Joey, I had a simple little stupid news service that came with my Thinkorswim. Right, that's like a half hour behind, and you might as well be listening to CNBC because they're like 2 hours behind in everything. But yeah, I didn't think it would help, to be honest with you. But trust me, it does, and it pays for itself very, very quickly once you learn how to use it. Yeah, it is the best. It is the best. So for everybody out there, anybody have any other questions about anything? We probably got another 5 minutes or so. We might as well answer some questions if anybody has. Long QS. QS, hold on. I'm long QS, picked up yesterday. I don't know what price you got in. How's everybody doing crypto? A lot of my Benzinga people trading crypto out there. Not really my thing, but I chart it because a lot of people in my room like to trade it. And again, guys, write this down just in case, everybody out there, right? There is a spot in crypto coming up. We got a couple of them. 36,500, right? And then our weekly is, let's call it 30,000. Now, usually, this thing has between a 30 and a 50% pullback like once a year. It just does, right? So right now, 65,000, call it 42,000, we're down 23,000. That's almost a 30% pullback now, right? So from 62 to 36, there's your 50% pullback. Just about, which it does. So 36 grand, first spot, and then 30,000. Those are two spots I would write down. Doge was good to me. Yeah, and all these things, guys, okay? You have to trade them. If you're getting in Doge for the hype or Shiba Inu or what was the one, guys? These nuts. That was the latest one I love. These nuts. Any of these things, if you're getting in because of the hype, right? You got to take profits and trade them. Okay? Trade them. All right. Yeah. Did anyone get the ride at 25.50? It's good if you got it. We're slowing down, but it's okay. I like it. That's the trend. Already gave you a nice 20 cents. So I like it. I bought a lot of Doge for 5 cents. That's great, Born, but trade, 5 tenths to 7. Here's what happens, right? Here's what happens. You get into these stocks, which is fine, and then everybody runs in and pumps them up, and then you sell them, and then you buy it back again. You know what I'm saying? But you got to take profits in these things. Doge is not going to $500. That's not going to happen, right? Ooh, he invested 40 grand in SafeMove. Please. Again, guys, I don't listen to anyone outside my room. I don't care. I wish everybody the best of luck. I hope everybody makes money, right? That's what I want. No, you don't want to short Tesla here. The place to short Tesla was up here at 590. Now it's coming in to be a better buy, if anything, not a sell. No. All right, ladies and germs, it has been my pleasure, again, to be with you all. I hope everyone got into the Facebook group. Everybody buy the course. I'll see you Thursday night. And everybody is invited into the room from the second we finish here for the rest of the week.
Beautiful.
Come on in.
All right, David. Well, we'll see you tomorrow morning.
Excellent. I will be here. Everybody, take it easy the rest of the day. It's kind of dead now.
All right, and we got SPAX Attack coming up next.
Here we go. Buy IPOE, baby.
IPOE. All right, y'all.
All right, guys. I'll see everybody in the morning.
Bye-bye.